everybody. Yeah, this is Sam back once again. I'm motivated to look at some more iPhone related stuff today. That's been pretty popular, the iPhone stuff, the unboxing and whatnot. So, we're going to look at this. Now, this is the stuff from, I think it's Pitaka or Pitaka. So, I'm not 100% sure exactly, but I think it's Pitaka or, well, not Pitaka. Obviously, my accent's a little bit different than most people's. But yeah, have it for what it is. And we have to look at this. We've got the MagEZ. And again, this is for the iPhone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I'll show you in the back of it. It is a 100% genuine aramid fibre. 16 grams of lightness. That's super, super light. It's only 0.85 millimeters thin. Yeah, that is bonkers. Wireless charging friendly. So obviously you can wirelessly charge your phone at the same time as well. Not a problem at all. On the back of it, it's the thinnest protection phone case made from military grade material, keeping your phone protected while adding no bulk, just like no other case, just like the no cases there. And to be honest with you, when you see it on, you'll be like, damn, that is very, very, very thin. So I will show you regards to the wireless charger, because I've also got this one. It's the new MagMount Qi. Well, you might look at it as MagMount QI, but it's Qi. And this is the car vent mount. So this one can go inside your car on the actual vents, and then this sticks to it, which I'm not going to show you how obviously in a car, because I'm here right now, but I'm going to show you how it works on this video today. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It is 2 times faster than the last one. It's got a built-in cooling fan and also safer charging. That's what we like to hear. So yeah, we'll actually just show you there on the back of it. That's what it look like inside your car. Cool, right? Anyway, let's have a look at the case first. I'll put the box off to the side for that one. Now, I have used this, so you will probably see some scuffs and stuff like that on the actual back of the case. And inside the box, you get this, which I thought was pretty cool. A little bit unique as well. So you get the little thank you. And then you get these. And at first I was like, what the hell are these? So I don't know if it's going to come up on camera really. There we go. So it's telling you, I don't know, that's where you can actually read it as well. It says, note, due to the slight size variance of iPhones, you may need this sticker for a more precise fit of the case. Which I thought was a little strange, because I thought, if this is for the iPhone 11 Max, Pro Max, or yeah, Pro Max, yeah, then there's only one size. So a little strange, but I've not needed to use them. I've stuck on and it's just kind of fit. So you might need to use it, you might not. I thought it was a little odd, but yeah, there is that. Anyway, put that off to the side. Here's the actual case itself, and as you can probably see, it is super, super duper thin. Let's focus and show you how thin that is. It's redonkulously thin. So you see here, compatible with the magnetic mount, and there's what branding there. So actually bring the phone in, and I found the easiest way to put the phone into it is to slide it in this way first, and then clip the bottom on, and then do the top part as well. Now I've got a screen protector on mine, so it is screen protector friendly with regards to this kind of one I've got. But you will notice that obviously because of how thin it is, your screen protector will sit above the case. So if you were looking for a case that's going to be able to kind of put down and not worry about it, with a screen protector, this would not be the one. But to be fair, you kind of know that going into this, it's a thin case for a reason. But the cool thing is on the back of it, it is raised, so you can probably just see that into there. So the actual cameras are kind of covered on it. So the lip itself, so when you stick it down like that, your actual camera bumps, not a problem at all. They are completely kind of, protected, because they're not going to be able to go into there. I would reckon that my little wallpaper on there. I'll link this down below. It's actually from Matt Saunders. If anyone remembers Matt Saunders, they used to do YouTube videos, then let me know in a comment down below, but that's one of his pictures. I've actually got quite a few of them. I'm going to start bringing back the Wallpaper Wednesdays by him. So he's going to be taking shots out in Sydney, and we're doing that. But anyway, I digress. Here it is, and I got to admit, it does look really nice. One thing that really has kind of bothered me a little bit with this case is I don't know if it's like finger grease or just general things that obviously gets on your fingers. It seems to stick to it really easy. So I don't know if you can't really tell as much. I'm looking at it and I can see like little spots here where you can see I've cleaned it. It does clean up, but it's just not the nicest thing to have. When you do look at it, sometimes you're like, oh, geez, have I got like super greasy hands? And I actually have pretty dry hands most of the time. So for it to happen on me, That's the only kind of a little bit of a caveat with regards to this case in particular. But I do like the fact it's matte. So it is kind of like a matte finish on there. In terms of wireless charging, just bring the little wireless charger in and just kind of show you. Yes, look, it does charge. So it is now charging the phone, as you can probably see in the top right hand corner here. So you're thinking, okay, that's pretty cool. Obviously, it's in this case. But believe it or not, there's actually a magnet inside here as well, which I'm going to show you now. So we're going to stick that one just there for 2 secs. And we're going to bring in the mag mount Qi. And again, this is the car vent mount. So it actually goes in the vent inside your car. Just drop it down and wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Again, nice unboxing experience from Pitaka or Pitaka. Again, not too sure exactly what I'm saying. Inside here, you will be getting the actual mag mount, the charging cable, and a user manual. And I got to say, I was very impressed by the actual cable itself. It's like a nice kind of braided cable. I don't know if you can kind of see that's actually a really nice high quality cable, and it is USB Type-C. Well done, lads. Well done, or ladies, whoever it was that designed it. So you're getting this. So obviously this is to stick on your car as well. Or, get my finger in. You can't get it in. That's what she didn't say. Wait, what? And here we go. So this is for the actual car vent, but you can actually also have it on a dash as well. So you could use that on your dash, which I'll show you in a moment or two as well. And here is the actual mag mount itself. So I'll tell you what, let's have a quick look. I don't think there's anything else inside here. No, there wasn't. I'm pretty sure there wasn't. So let's just chuck this off to the side as well. If he puts it back, box struggles are real. There we go. Right, so that's just off to the side there. And as you can see, it is in a very similar styling, if not the same identical styling to this. Now, what happens is this will sit inside your car. As you can see on the back of the actual box, bring it back in really quickly. So that'll sit on your vent. So pretend that my fingers are vents. That kind of sits there. And when you get inside your car, all you do is go like that. And then boom, look, it's actually magnetised. So it's on there. So when you get inside the car, you just get it, boom, it sticks to it. And it also wirelessly charges the phone as well. So yeah, boom, job done, and it's charging. So boom, job done, it's charging. So to show that it's actually not just kind of sticking on there, it will actually lift it up. So look, so I'm gonna, boom. I'm gonna get it just, yeah, we've got actually jumped off the actual table there. So yeah, I thought that was pretty damn cool, that the fact that you can have this kind of a thin case with little magnets inside it that will also stick onto there as well. So on the back of here, this is when you kind of mount it inside your car. So if you want it in the vents, you'll stick this one in. So what you do is you unscrew it, stick it in like that, so that's in there, and then you tighten it up, and once it's tightened, you can then stick that in your car vent. So obviously it depends on what kind of car you've got as to how easy it's going to be to stick in there, and that'll just basically go into there, get inside your car, job done, just start charging. Happy days, right? Yeah? But you're thinking, Sam, I've not got any car vent mounts, or mine are like really small holes, or you've got those ones that have like, you know, you can't really get, can't get it in, it's too thick. So that's where this other thing comes in now. So basically pop that one out, chuck that off to the side, and you can have this. So instead, what you could do is just stick this ball mount in there, tighten this one up, dun, dun, dun. And this one will stick on this, let's say put on your dash somewhere. Again, get inside your car, job done, starts charging. Look, you can even use that as like a little stand as well if you wanted to. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Or maybe if this is, let's say you want to stick it on the glass, you could probably even put it this way like this. And then let's say that your glass is there, and it's stuck on there like that. So it's stuck on the glass, boom, stick it on, job done, should be charging away. Yeah, happy days, and there you go on there, back on the bottom of it there. Focus, USB Type-C. And what I'll do is actually just plug it in just to show you that it does charge with it as well, so give me 2 seconds. Alright, so as you can see, it's plugged in now. So all we do then is, again, we jump in the car, chuck her on, boom, start charging. Take it off, it's not charging. Stick it on, boom, charging. And last time, where I'm actually going to show you, you can actually see it. So as you can see here, not charging. Focus. There we go. Not charging. Stick it on. Boom. To charging. Now the actual fans, I've not give it. Honestly, I've not really give it a. I've not used it a hell of a lot in the car, just a little bit. I've been using the vent because it just fit in my car. I've probably used it like 4 or 5 times. Never had a problem. One thing I've noticed though is that because it does have a fan in there, the fan has kicked up quite a few times. It's not super loud, but you can hear it if it's dead silent. But it's nothing to be worried about. I'd rather have it to make sure the actual coils inside this wireless charger are cool than not have it. So I don't know if I can. Probably won't be able to show you because as soon as you unhook it, boom, it's the actual fans turn off straight away, which is pretty damn cool. But that's it. That is my video on these two little bad boys. And again, we've got the new one. So there is an old one. This is the new mag mount Qi, which is this little bad boy here. If I stick it like that, it'll probably stand up. And then obviously we have to go with it the actual case itself as well, which is the mag case for the iPhone. Now, they actually do this for other phones as well. I believe they do it for some Samsung phones. I will have to put a link down below to the website. And I want to say thank you to them for actually sending this to me for the review today. It was sent as a sample review. This is the first time they've seen the video, so yeah, hopefully they like it as well. Happy days. Yeah, I never let anyone kind of tell what I can and can't say in a video. So yeah, happy days with stuff like that. Well, that's it. Got to admit, I do like it. Again, the only thing I wasn't a massive fan of was the finger grease, but that might be me. I don't know. You know, maybe I've got oily fingers. I didn't think I did, but yeah. Anyway, people, want to say thank you for watching. If you have any questions with regards to this, the iPhone, the Huawei watch, the Apple watch, you name it, anything that you've seen on my channel recently or in the past, because I still answer questions based upon the Galaxy S2, believe it or not. Yeah. Then hit me with a comment down below. If you are new to your channel, then go on, hit the subscribe button. It is completely free. I know. It doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Awesome, huh? And go on, smash that like button. You know you want to. Anyway, once again, I want to say thank you for watching. You'll hopefully see me. Well, okay, you never see me. Well, apart from these little beauties. But you'll definitely hear me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.